Add and simplify x over x plus 3 plus 8x plus 21 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. The first thing we want to look at is how do we get these down to their simplest terms so that we can find the least common denominator. Well, x over x plus 3, there's really no way to simplify that, so we're going to leave it. In the numerator, we have 8x plus 21. That does not factor. So because it doesn't factor, we're just going to leave it the way it is. We can tell it doesn't factor because there's no number that goes into both 8 and 21. And then with the denominator, x squared plus 5x plus 6, we're looking for factors of 6. So two numbers that multiply to 6 and add up to 5. And the easiest way to do this, if you're not familiar with all of the factors, is just to start listing factors. So we've got 1 times 6, and we've got 2 times 3. So because both of these are positive, we know that both the 5 and the 6 are positive. We know that we're looking for two positive numbers, and we have them right here. So 2 times 3. So what we're going to write as our denominator is x plus 2 and x plus 3. Now we can see that the second term already has the least common denominator. We just need to multiply the first term by x plus 2. On the numerator and the denominator, x plus 2 over x plus 2. 8x plus 21 Now we need to distribute this, so we've got x squared plus 2x plus 8x plus 21. I'm kind of skipping the middle step where we distribute and then we add. I'm just distributing and adding in the same step. So then we have x plus 3, x plus 2. We combine like terms here in the numerator. So we have x squared, 2x plus 8x is 10x plus 21 over x plus 3 times x plus 2. Now we don't know yet if we have this in the lowest terms, in the lowest possible simplified manner. What we need to do is see if this numerator will factor. So again, we're looking at numbers that will multiply to equal 21 and add to equal 10. So we can start by looking at, well, there's 1 and 21. That's not going to work. There's 3 and 7. Hey, 3 and 7 works. So x plus 3, x plus 7 over x plus 3 times x plus 2. So notice that what we have here are terms that will cancel out. So our final answer for the sum of these two rational expressions is x plus 7 over x plus 2. In your answer box, you will do parentheses x plus 7 backslash parentheses x plus 2. Make sure to put parentheses around the numerator and the denominator because your computer knows order of operations and knows that normally we would divide before we add. We want to add first before we divide.